Well, welcome back to our phonics portion of the day. And of course, again, we're going to go over our letters and sounds. We're going to revisit sight words, nonsense words. We will be blending phonemes. We're going to listen for some final sound in words. And today we are reading a story, and the skill is author's purpose. So that means we are going to find out if the author wrote this book in order for us to learn something or if the author just wanted us to enjoy the story. Okay? All right, so here we go with our sight words. From, on, this, and remember the word this, the word is there. Uh-oh, hold on. Remember, when silent E is in a word, it makes the vowel say its name. So, aim, aim, came, but, find, where, any, is, how, of. So, now, what? You are. See, come, and look at what other word is in come? Me. We. My. Oh, there's banded Y, and he says I. With, and look at the word that is inside of with, it. Like the, and the other word in the is he. I, me, to, and the other word in and is and a. Good job, friends. All right. Let's go ahead and do our letters and sounds, but today we're going to do sound first, because yesterday we did letter. And remember, in December we are going to be tested on this, and we need to know 60 sounds in 1 minute and 60 letters in 1 minute out of order. Okay? All right, so here we go. Sound F, J, J, A. Good job. B, B, N, P, G, G, O, L, O, O, good job, R, W, W, Y, Y, K, V, Q, D, D, S, U, Z, Z, sorry, X, H, M, T, T, C, E, I. Good job. That was pretty fast, friends. All right. Let's do, how about we do half of it? Make-believe words. All right. So here we go, guys. Consonant, vowel, consonant. B, of, bov. Fair. Ap, fap. Ux, lux. This too, we got to bing, bang, boom it. Uff. Eb, rab. Ix. G, gag. dodge, dodge, hem, if, jiff, et, as, taz, et, dov, dov, ick, tick, vim, does, was, was. Very, very good. Now, friends, you can have your parents make you some nonsense words. Nonsense words are only 3 of them, and it has to start with a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. Okay? You can make them out of your small index cards because we will be assessed on these, and they will expect us to know 28 sounds, but we're looking for 15 words in 1 minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice. Bing, bang, boom it, my friends. All right. So before we move on, let's look at this. What does this say? Look at this big. There's a what there? What is that? Exclamation point. So let's read it with excitement. Look at this big bug. And the sight word is this. I'm going to put that right there. Oh, look at that. The bee flew from what? Flower to flower. Let's read that again. The bee flew from flower to flower. And it looks like a cute bee. I don't know in real life, though. I don't think I would want to be the bee's friend. Oh, look at this. The butterfly came out. Hey, see that OU? That's kind of like the OW. Whenever you see OU or OW, they make that sound of when you get an owie and you say ow. So out. So let's go back. The butterfly came out of its, oh, this is a fancy word, chrysalis. 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 So let's go back. The butterfly came out of its chrysalis. So chrysalis is a scientific term. You may have heard of it before, like a cocoon or a pupa. Now there's also this word, chrysalis, in case you've never heard it before. Okay. Look at this one, friends. Do you see spots on the ladybug? Oh, that is a question. So let's read it again. Do you see spots on the ladybug? So whenever it's a question, that means you have to answer. So do you see spots on the ladybug? Yeah, so do I. How many spots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what a cute little ladybug. Have you ever held a ladybug? They are so super cute. And you know what? They tickle your hand when they walk on it. Yeah, do you know that I had a friend who he had what was called a ladybug farm. Like, seriously, friends. And there were, oh my gosh, thousands and thousands of ladybugs all over the place. Oh, it wasn't gross. It was just kind of, they were just all over the place. So if you like walked to his farm, it was kind of like an indoor thing. You'd get them all over you right away. So if you don't mind that, then that's okay. But then you have to kind of brush them off. Otherwise, you take them home with you. And I really didn't want to take ladybugs home. All right. So here we go. So I'm going to say some sounds. You're going to hear me say the sounds. Okay. You are going to hold up your fingers and then tell me the word. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. Sh. Great job, wish. App. Lap. Ix. What is the word? Fix. Ot. What is the word? Cot. N. What is the word? Bun. N. What is the word? Ten. Very, very good. Now I'm going to say a word, so I want you to listen. Hot. What sound do you hear at the end of hot? Very, very good. Now I will say two more words. Listen. Luck, get. Which word has the same ending sound as hot? Listen again. Luck, get. Get. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so let's do a few more. Okay, so listen to the ending sounds in these words. Tag. What word has the same ending sound as tag? Listen. Bed, mug. Bed, mug. Ding, 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 ding. Mug. Okay, so listen to this one. Lock. Lock. Which word has the same ending sound as lock? Listen. Nap, sip, lock. Which one has the same ending sound? Listen. Lock, nap, sip. Which two have the same ending sound? Nap and sip. That one was a strange one. Okay, now listen to this one. Red. Red. Okay, which word has the same ending sound as red? Kid, jam. Kid, jam. Kid, yeah. All right, so let's touch on our vocabulary boost. If you read daily, do you read every day or every week? If you read daily, do you read every day or every week? Every day. If you have several apples, do you have 2 apples or do you have more? Listen again. If you have several apples, do you have 2 apples or do you have more? Yeah, more. What color pattern do you see in a tiger's stripes? What color pattern? Purple and blue? I've never seen a purple and blue tiger. That is silly. Orange, black, orange, black. What else? Aha. Black, white, black, white. How many of you have ever seen a black and white tiger? I have. Yeah, those are real. What does it mean if you usually eat an apple with lunch? What does it mean if you usually eat an apple at lunch? Yeah, it means that you eat an apple most of the time. Yeah, that's kind of like, say, for example, you would bring a sandwich, you would bring some chips and an apple. Say if you brought that type of lunch every day, or say if one day you bring some spaghetti, but you have your apple, or say the next day you bring a salad, but you have your apple. So when it says you usually have an apple with lunch, that means most of the time there's an apple in your lunchbox. Are there many cows in a herd or just a couple? Are there many cows in a herd or just a couple? Many. If your muscles are tired, what do? You exercise some more? Okay, I'll tell you what I do. If my muscles are tired, I tell my husband, oh, my muscles hurt. And so he gives me a massage. Yeah, especially like if the muscles on my neck hurt, which they do a lot, he'll massage the back of my neck, or sometimes the muscles on my legs hurt. So maybe the next time your muscles hurt, maybe ask your mom or your dad or someone to massage them. It makes it feel really, really good. Yeah, but what else could we do? We could soak in a tub, yeah, with hot water, warm water, or cold water. What kind of water? I would say warm. You don't want hot because then that'll burn your body and then your body's going to hurt along with your muscles, right? So let's make it a warm one and not cold. You don't want to freeze in the bathtub. All right. So I'm going to say a word and I want you to listen for the sound you hear at the beginning, not at the end. Okay, so listen to my word. Okay, what sound do you hear at the beginning of face? What sound do you hear at the beginning of face? All right, now let's do another one. What sound do you hear at the beginning of fall? What sound do you hear at the beginning of fall? Ding, 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 ding. What sound do you hear at the beginning of father? Father. Yeah. Okay. What sound do you hear at the beginning of map? Map. What sound do you hear at the beginning of fan? Fan. Great job. Sound do you hear at the beginning of bill? Bill. Yes, B. Good job. All right, now I'm going to say some words. If you hear the sound at the beginning, I want you to say. If you don't hear the sound at the beginning, I want you to freeze. Okay, you ready? All right. Foot, foot. Put, put. Fair, fair. Sun, sun. Ant, ant. Fall, fall. Very, very good. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and look at our big folder here, this poster folder here. So today, Phoebe Fish wants to find all the words that begin with the sound, okay? So as I tell you the name of the picture, I want you to tell me the sound. So here we go. Fish. Very, very good. So I will write an uppercase F and a lowercase f. Another way you could say that is a capital F and a lowercase f. All right. Hose. Hose. Nope, that does not begin with F. Fox. Fox. Okay, uppercase F and a lowercase f. Cow. Cow. Nope. Okay. Fence. Fence. Mhm. Farmer. Farmer. Good job, guys. That was excellent. All right. So let's go ahead and get ready for our book for the day. Remember, I said that it is a book that is the skill we're looking for is author's purpose.